Hello, everyone. I have chosen to discuss ways to use a Gentile taxonomy of motor skills in physical rehab or physical education and sport contexts. So, just for a little context, rehab would be to evaluate movement, limitations, and capabilities. Physical education, select functionally appropriate activities, and in sports, track progress with skill development. So, with physical rehab, gentle taxonomy of motor skills, this could be used to help assess a patient's movement abilities and plan a personalized rehabilitation program. Let's say, for example, I want to be a physical therapist. Somebody comes in with a torn ankle. We want to go ahead and get like the patient's motor skills and how can we categorize this into different stages. So where are we right now? Where do we want to be? How can we get this better? I've torn my ankle before. My physical therapist helped me create a plan where I could do the therapy at home when I'm not in the office to help me be able to like walk again and do certain movements. We also have physical education, so PE teachers, so they could use this taxonomy to design lesson plan skills that would cater the students varying skill levels. So it could be something that can focus like on fundamental movements like jumping, throwing, and then those students that probably have more complex skill could do like sports or dance routines. So something of that sort. Also in sports, we have things like coaches. They could utilize taxonomy to help analyze like an athlete's motor skills and tailor training programs to like help them enhance their performance. So things like basketball, they could see where the different players are like which ones are great, maybe which ones need a little bit more development. How can I create a plan for this? Things of that sort. The reason why this is important for our class is because we're talking about basically about motor skills, right? So we discuss like how can we help enhance someone's performance? Even if they've been through like an injury, if they're in a disease, maybe they're rehabilitating from something, how can we help them through infancy and through old age? So this is why this is important and it relates to us. It also relates to our field, whatever our fields may be that has to do like with physical therapists, maybe nurses. This would be very important. The second video also touches on like body orientation and intertrial variability, as well as manipulation. So it helps breaks all of that down and how it's important, along with like body stability, body transport, and object manipulation. So this is how gentile taxonomy would be important for motor skills when it comes to rehab, education, and sports context.